Hello planner lovelies, how are you guys? I'm doing well. My throat, my voice is still messed up from the smoke and everything I told you about last week, but it is getting better, and just everything that's going on in the world. So if you're in one of the affected areas, just know that my thoughts and prayers are with you. So this week we are planning for August 27th through September 2nd, and we are using this Aloha Beautiful set from A Coffee Fairy Plans. I ordered this a long time ago with the intention of using it for this week. So a friend of mine that supports me on my planning journey, isn't a planner herself, is going to Hawaii this week. She's leaving on Friday, and she'll be gone all of next week. But next week is beginning of school for us, and we'll be doing back to school. But I wanted to kind of live vicariously through her and use this very tropical Hawaiian inspired kit, along with these beautiful stickers that I picked up from my store called Fred Meyer. It's just a local kind of like super center. These are from Sticker King, which is tattooking.com, and I know you can find these around. They're from $1 to $1.29, and these are just very tropical glitter like deco stickers, because this kit did not come with any deco. So here's the kit: full boxes and scallop labels, full ombre checklist with scallop labels, headers, littles, icons, and circles, bottom washi and washi strips with mini checklists. You have big checklists, sidebars, mini ombres, some flags, hearts, hexagons, and circle icons. And then we have our weekend banner, habit trackers. There's 4 habit trackers, bill dues, half boxes, hydrates, and teardrops. And the last page are date covers, glitter headers, and dates, numbers. They're not date dots, they're not round, but same diff. So I'm not sure I'm going to set this week up, how I'm going to set this week up, but we'll find out together. And let me just pop you back here to the current week using this beautiful kit from AB Organizing called Farmer's Market. It was a mini kit. It was a pretty chill week. For home, work was absolutely insane. As you guys can tell, it's been about 6 months since I had my acrylics on, so I soaked those off at home, and I just have on some press-ons, giving my fingernails a little rest. They do have some length on them now, and so that's good. So we're gonna just be going back to acrylics here pretty soon, but I just wanted to just do some press-ons, keep it simple. They're really short after having those gargantuan long ones. But and yes, I do have on a sweater because I want my AC on, but I still get a little bit chilly at night, and it's nighttime right now. So anywho, we're going to plan this week out, and I'm debating on this washi, where'd it go, on just using the washi, or if I should cut it and bring in something else. You know what, I can leave this and just use some of the deco on it and make it extra special. So we're going to go ahead and jump into the video. Don't forget, this is a collab with the Plan With Me design group, and there are links in the description box down below. The first link will take you to our Facebook group, and you can join. You don't have to post videos, but you can join, you can participate, you can post your spreads if you're a planner, or if you just want to stalk the page, you're more than welcome. And you'll also find a link to a blog post by Beth's Beauty and More that lists out all of our channels. So there we go. I think I got everything out. So we're going to play some really tropical, fun, vibey music, and I will catch you guys again at the end. So here we go. all done, all dressed up. I think my camera got crooked. I've bumped my camera several times. I'm really sorry. It just happens. It gets, you know, you just get to going and things happen. So anyway, these are my plans for this week. It is so bright and colorful. I absolutely love it. I hope you guys did too. Don't forget to check out everyone in the Plan With Me design group. They are linked in the description box down there. Please subscribe. Hit that red button that says subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the little bell notification, you know, little bell, little ding ding ding. It lets you know when I upload because everything's been so sporadic lately. And like this video, hit that thumbs up for me. It really does help me out, you know. If you're a planner girl, you like watching planner videos, hit that thumbs up. I always thumbs up everybody because I just want everybody to feel the love. So anyway, shameless promotion over. I hope you guys really did enjoy the video, and I will talk to you again very, very soon. Much love to all of you, and bye for now.